Is this thing on? Hi, my name is Jimmy, and I like to play games. Oh my gosh!
Jimmy! Jimmy, you broke the camera!
No. Maybe? Okay.
This is Jimmy. I met him in the mall. He's very fun to hang out with. He's also very clumsy. See what I mean? That was an expensive camera. It's actually not mine. It's my dad's. Jimmy's still cool though.
Aw man, that's my dad's. What am I gonna do?
I'm sorry.
It's okay, as long as you didn't get hurt.
Hey, my dad! He can fix video cameras!
Awesome!
Wanna go play a game?
Yeah!